MirandaMiner, and this time I'm going to show to you my execution of a shorting play. Today lang to, no? And I would like to show this to you. Si Coach MirandaMiner, because of our bias on the market today, tinuturo ko sa university ito, no? If the coin has a bearish bias, no? Dapat kinokontrol natin ang ating funds. Okay? So in this case, dapat 30% lang ang nakalabas, and you are very, very, very particular on your position size, no? Because the market has been ranging. So I'm going to show to you today two trades, no? Wherein we earned, I think, roughly around around 500 pesos, no? In our trades over the past couple. I mean, actually, very, very few lang. Ito nga lang, itong full day. I only have one trade, and then this one, I have XRP. I'm going to show to you why did we execute this particular trade over the night. Actually, I discuss ko sa mga mentors to separately, no? We're doing this while we're actually trying to play Axie as well. But let's try to deep dive, no? Bakit ba natin ginawa at sinolve tong trades na to? Why are we shorting the market, no? When you say shorting, ito yung ginagawa sa futures at you're expecting the coin to go down even lower, or the price of the coin to go down even lower, no? So let's now start. So let's start with Polkadot. Obviously, meron siyang binasag na support kanina, and we trade, no? Nag-day trade lang tayo sa coin na to, no? And we were trading a dot, I mean, at $36.2. Nag-enter tayo ng short dyan around alas 2 ng hapon. Nagbenta tayo ng 35.99, and then we again opened another short at 34.258, and we're able to sell it at 33.627, no? Nabili natin yan at around 18.50 at nagbenta tayo ng 19.56. So alas 6 ng gabi at kakabenta ko lang, no, mga 7.56 ng gabi. Alright, so kumita tayo dyan ng around $6, $20, $8, and so on and so forth. Okay? And then yung XRP trade naman natin, kumita tayo dyan, no? So we're able to buy at 1.11, we're able to sell it at 1.062 and 1.0961. As usual, ang ating ito ay futures trading na short. Okay? Shorting, and of course, I'm not able to find my bread and butter within the top 10 coins, no? So I'm using the same top 10 coins to look for a chupit, no? Chupit or shorting play na tinatawag natin. Okay? Para at least may kinikita pa rin tayo kahit papano. Alright, okay, let's do this, no? And of course, huwag mong kalimutan sinabi ni Coach MirandaMiner kanina sa ating paalala, a good marriage, no? A good marriage of a breakout play or your bread and butter trade plus a very good execution could mean, an all-time high profit. Alright? So, wag mo ipilit kung talagang wala kang makitang bread and butter setup, then don't trade, no? It's okay. Sometimes you need to let go of the market for a little bit until you see some breakouts to happen. Okay? So, let's now try to go into our chart execution. Okay? This is our Polkadot USDT. I'm actually using a 30 minutes time frame here. And then you will notice I have a standard MACD line. I'm actually using Investagrams. It's a standard Investagrams chart. And of course, yung RSI natin is RSI 30, no? RSI 30 because naka-day trade tayo. So you will notice, pag nag-zoom out ka, okay, lakihan ko lang ito muna ng chart na to, no? Pag nag-zoom out ka sa chart na to, you will notice that the trend is actually upwards. It's an upward trend. Okay? Tapos may nakikita kang common support area dito sa baba. Okay? So, meron kang common support area na tinatawag natin. No? Let me just try to look for the arrow here. Meron kang common support area dyan. Okay? And you will draw a trend line pataas. Okay? Now, by law of resistances and support, kapag ito ay naging support at na-breakdown, normally pag umaakyat, ginagawa siyang resistance. No? Nauuntog, nagko-correct yan sa area na yan. Okay. So, what do you mean by that, no? So, normally, tatandaan mo, kapag ang isang price is bumubutas na ng support area na to, yung same na support area could also be used as your resistance pag nag-breakout at umangat. Now, in this case, umangat, nag-correct, binaba niya pababa. Okay. So where did I enter? Of course, yung turo ko sa university, hanap ka ng confirmatory candles, no? Yung wala na nakadikit doon sa major line area natin. So confirmatory candles, wala na siyang nakadikit. Okay? So i-separate lang natin ang yan. Maayos yan. Okay. Alright, I will follow this one and this one. Okay. So I entered on the confirmatory candle, meaning yung after the prison break doji, this candle and this particular candle around 12:30 nag-enter na ako dito. I tried to short already Polkadot, no? Itong candle na to. Okay, this one at around 12 to 12:30, 2 to 2:30 area, no? Okay. Tapos, of course, nagkaroon tayo dyan ng around this particular area, no? Nag-weekend na, no? Ang bias ko dito, because ang hahaba na, no, ng knives natin, ng candles, my bias is, if I go down on a 15-minute chart, naka-bearish cross na to, no? So, pinasukan ko na yan. Pinasukan ko na yan ng 15 minutes. That's why you will notice that we entered at around 1424. 36.237. Nabili natin yan siya. Okay? Tapos, nag-close tayo ng 35.99. Pinalose ko siya sa area na to. This particular candle. Within this two candles, no? Alright, close natin yan dyan. No? Normally, pwede kang bumuo ng another area dito. Yan. Ng mini channel, no? Nag-breakout pababa, no? That's why you have a downward trend here, no? So nagbenta din, nag-take profit na ako dyan because I'm just trying to chupit the market. No, we earned around $9 or $8. Tapos you know, I open again another short around 18:50 ng gabi. Kaka-close ko lang ng 19:56. Yan. So 18:50 dito around this candle. No? Bakit ko kinuha yan? Kasi nga, nag-aantay ako ng breakout sa area na to. No? Nag-aantay ako sa breakout ng area na yan. Okay. And then, if you will use this kasi, in this particular area, meron kang tinatawag na range dito. So, I will do a range here. Yung area na yan. That is your area, your range na pag binasag niya yan, it can potentially go further downward. So, nagabang na ako ng order dito. Haba kasi nung candle na to, no? Pag ganyan ng candle, tapos napakapula ng reading mo, malamang sa malamang tutuloy-tuloy pababa yan, no? Alright. So, I took profit early here because gusto ko nang itago yung profit natin kasi nagchuchupit nga lang tayo, di ba? So, within the intraday, kumukuha lang tayo ng profit, di ba? So, you know, nagbenta ako on this particular candle at around 33.627 this area, no? Beto tayo dyan, and there's already a lightening of the selling pressure, no? Can I still wait? Yes, I can still wait, pero tingin ko my goal for the day is to earn around $26. So, I think I'm good with that, no? $26. So, I'm good with that. For that particular trade. So I have my trade number 1 here, and then I do have my trade number 2. That's my trade number 2. Okay. So again, I would not want you guys to trade the market na hindi mo siya talagang kilala at pinaplano. Kasi nga itong market na to, because it's actually ranging like this. You will notice when you say ranging market, nagsa-sideways. Kasi if you go on, save ko muna to, wait lang. Kasi when you go on a bigger time frame, let's try to go to a 4 hours. Ayan. Manonotice mo na meron siyang tinatawag na range. Ayan. On this particular area, yan, nag-range siya dyan. No? You have your ranging market there. Nag-range because within this particular higher high and meron siyang retracement dito, nagsa-sideways yung market. Yan, nagsa-sideways siya. No? So, pag after nagkaroon ng correction dito, tumuloy-tuloy na siya pababa. No? Tumuloy-tuloy siya pababa. And then, of course, Sinong sasalo dito ngayon, no? Kung if you would like to ask me, sinong sasalo dyan? Of course, pwede ka namang bumaba ng 2 hours or 1 hour. Kukuha ka lang ng Fibonacci galing sa ilalim. Kuha ka dito ng Fib. Ilayin mo sa taas. So, pinakamalalim niyan, 28. Pero sobrang layo na niyan. Sobrang oversold na ang price niyan. 28. No? So, 28, pwede niyang gawin yon within this particular retracement. Pwede mo makuha yon. No? And then, actually, even if here, pag ginawa mo to yung pababa, kita mo nag-correct sa 618 dito. Diyan siya nag-correct. No? So, yeah. Very simple, no? Very simple to execute. Trade the breakdowns, no? Trade the breakdowns, and that's it. Madaling kumita sa mga ganyan. Okay, let's go naman to our next trade, which is XRP. Yan, XRP naman. Okay, so ang next trade natin today is XRP, no? So we opened at we opened the shorting play at 1.1148 at nag-close tayo ng 1.0961 at 1.062. Nag-open tayo at nag-close ulit tayo ng 1.0961. And we're able to earn 13, I think mga around $20 or 1,000 pesos, no? Okay, so how did we earn these types of trades, no? So ito namang XRP na to, of course, ang overall sentiment kasi nito is on a day trade standpoint, ito yung mga mahirap iti-trade kasi nga this is actually forming a range or a consolidation on a day trading standpoint. Bakit? Kasi if you go to this particular chart, you will notice that yung tsura niya, nakita mo yan. Ito yung minsan napakahirap i-trade, no? Kasi nga technically it's actually ranging, no, within this particular area. Yan, nagre-range siya dyan, no? Alright. Of course, meron siyang mga resistances, meron siyang common resistances. No? You can actually do a naked charting approach. Sa mga estudyante ko dyan, alam niyan. No, you actually have your resistances here, this common area. Of course, pag maraming ganyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pag nabasag tumaas yan, 1.12, baka tumaas pa yan lalo. No? Pero why did we obviously enter this particular trade? No, why did we enter this particular itong trade natin this particular area? Nag-short tayo na mabilis diyan. Okay, how did we enter and why did we enter this particular trade and why did we take profit at around $20? Okay. So basically, gagawin natin on this particular interval, you will notice that after you see, technically a micro swings, no? Meron kang potential resistance dito, hindi siya nabasag, biglang binasag pababa. On this particular pullback, no, itong area na to, napasok natin to at around 1600, around this particular candle area, no? Yan, this area. Tapos you see that MACD is actually bearish already. Okay? And then your RSI is actually going to the less than 50 territory. No? So the next, so we open a trade at around 1.11 and we close it at 1.09. Now 1.11 around this area. Okay, and then we're able to sell it eventually at 1.0961. 1.09 this area. There you go. This particular candle, yeah. This particular count, yes. Okay, we're able to sell at 22.36 around this particular area, this particular candle, no? Itong candle na to. Okay, 22 and 61. Yan, we're able to sell that, no? Here. Okay. So, why did we not sell here yet? Nagkaroon tayo ng initial tranche selling sa ilalim na to. The initial selling was 1.1062 here at around 1836, couple of minutes lang, no? Here, this particular area, yan is the first selling area natin. Tapos we're able to do some tranche selling, nagbenta tayo dito, no, ng konti, tapos sumakit siya ulit. Yung natira nabenta ko siya sa area na to, no? So if you chart that again, this particular candle, we're able to sell there. We're able to buy on this area, this particular candle here. And okay, if you go on a 5-minute candle, meron ng confirmation candle yan, because we're only doing a couple of within 30 minutes plays. No? And then of course, nilagyan ko ng Fibonacci area dito. You will notice that nagba-bounce pa siya sa 618. Sinubukan siyang itaas pero nag-breakdown na. So inantay ko pa siya, mag-breakdown sa 618 area. Tapos we're able to sell on this area already. We're able to take our profit. Okay? I could have waited, no? Kasi nga meron tayong tinatawag dito na neckline breakdown in this particular area na nabasag na yung neckline niya dyan. It can potentially further go down, no? But ang plan ko kasi just to take profit already within the day, no? Yun nga, ranging market kasi siya. It's a ranging market territory. Okay? So, yan, no? Na 15 minutes, baka mag-form na naman to ng bullish, no? So, ganun naman talaga ang market natin, no? So, it's a ranging market. Kung ranging siya, dapat alam mo laruin and wag ka na mag-stay ng matagal, no? Because anytime it could further break out or it could further break down. Kasi nga it's on a bearish bias, no? It's consolidating. Now, if you are really a risk taker, then okay lang. You could actually leave your position and let it go there kung nasa spot ka lang naman. But ako kasi, I leave my money in spot and I do trade in futures, no? And 30% lang ng iyong pera ang ilalabas mo, no? During this time na medyo makakita ka ng mga consolidations at kung ano-ano pa. Okay? So, sana natulungan ka ng ating program today. Sana yung mga trades mo, talagang pinaplano mo lagi, no? Tsaka pag ganitong naka-sideways kasi yung chart natin, normally, masarap pasukan yung mga breakouts na ganito. Kung meron ka talagang time, no? Si Coach MirandaMiner kasi is currently occupied. We're forming our 17 scholars, no? Kaya talagang dami kong ginagawa, guys. Pasensya na kayo, ha. So, yan. Nakikita mo yan, guys, no? Mga ganyang formation. So, yan. Karon dito ng resistances. Dito siya magbabounce. Yan. So, we have a couple of potential trades pa. Kailangan talagang malaman mo lang saan ang magandang entry. Pero pag consolidation, wag ayun ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap na i-trade na market. Tandaan mo yun. If you're not earning today, wag mong paspahirapan yung sarili mo. That's one of those markets na pag nag-range kasi is magandang hindi ka tumatagal, no? You're just go in and out. Okay? And then pag nakita ka na ng major breakouts tulad nito, nag-aantay ako ng major breakouts ito. Doon ako papasok ng mga malakihang funds. Yung mga major breakout areas natin dyan. Yan. Naantay natin yan. No? Diyan tayo magpapasok ng malaki-laking funds. Okay. Guys, with that said, sana nakatulong sa ito, no? And thank you again for your support and for your sana natulungan ka ng extra information. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And please like and subscribe to our channel for more information na makakatulong sa iyo to become very, very profitable. With that said, thank you guys and have a good rest of your night.